Okay, and here we are at the wall of eggs, and it can be confusing. You'll see like so many different kinds of eggs that it's like, what do I buy? And they're wildly varying prices. I mean, all the way from $1.83 for a dozen, and you can come all the way over here and find them for $5.98 for the same dozen. So it's like crazy. And they sell them in the large packs of the 36 eggs, but if you look carefully, you'll notice that they have some organics eggs where they're cage-free chickens, and they're actually on sale. And look at that. That is a great deal. $3.75, and they're regularly $4.63 a dozen. And now you don't have to worry about the chickens being stuck in those weird cages and being pumped full of antibiotics and everything. These actually have the omegas in them because the better nutrition they have, because the chickens are fed a vegetarian diet and they're not given like ground up cattle parts like some chickens are. They're cage free, so they're not stuck in stacks of cages and messing all over each other, and just there's some horrifying things out there. So this is a good choice if you want to make a good breakfast, and it's gonna kind of break the bank. It's about half of what some of the other cage-free eggs are, and they have some that will be labeled cruelty-free if that's your biggest concern. If the chickens aren't stuck in cages, I'm a lot happier for them, but even still, they could be in a crowded environment. Those may cost you a little more, but still, it might be worth it to you. So just when you're looking, make sure you look for what's on sale, make sure they're cage-free eggs, make sure they're fed a vegetarian diet, make sure they're not being pumped full of hormones and antibiotics and all that kind of stuff. But lots of choices, so lots of wildly varying prices, but you can find some great deals if you look carefully.